Hi, my name is Tejas. I am from Snippetbucket Technologies. This project regards real estate projects. This one is a Mollak platform from government of Dubai. Is actually hold all the database of the owners, real estate, community, and units. So let me introduce the community is actually kind of society or organizations, but let compare in India we call a society where one big society developed by one owner builders or the one projects. Under that one there is a small bungalows, and those all the bungalows collectively known as society, but in term of the Mollak we known as a community. Under that community there is a small units, and that's unit have property ID. Community is kind of having community group ID, and each unit means each owner have their own contact informations is frequently changing. Also this government projects is connected with it means Mollak system is connected with maintenance team and maintenance suppliers or service provider, and that's how the invoices raised against services, and the payment will be done, additional charges will be done. And this to access this platform, it has also the API which allow you to communicate like contacts, receipts, additional charges kind of API is there. So we can fetch those data from the Mollak platform, as well as there is a synchronization, or in term of technical we say webhooks is there, so which call to the our server or our platform and inform there is something change in a invoice or in a payments or something new event happen, and then after we again fetch via API those data in detail and do whatsoever we have to do in our platform. So we can build our own maintenance platform or own like accounting platform or invoice platform, whatsoever we prefer to do. Now I'm going to be logging in this system, and let's see what's available there. This Mollak system is like this is an innovative online service allowing unit owners to pay service charges directly to the system. Unit charges, units means each home, unit means homeowners, unit owners. Okay, it might be unit is one apartment flat, okay, that's also called. But if it is apartment have 5 to 10 buildings, like we can say there A building, B building, and that's complete all the complete projects, or that society or that one society known as a community master. Okay, so community we can say. Now there is also the RERA, like in India we have service charges, that is approved companies, audited companies, understanding your invoice. Okay, so these are the great people, they have built a great platform. Now let me go to login. So here is login. I am going to enter my detail and I'm going to log in inside the system. Now here we can see this is the Mollak dashboard. We can see there is a land access request, property group request, JOPD management request. I'm not understand the JOPD, but is something joint operations property, something is there. The developer details is there, bank details there, then service charges approved request is there. So these are the kind of the charges for the personal one. Then here the workplace charge, manage, administration is there as well. And yes, one thing additional very important, that when we have API we just need consumer ID and we can call all the API, but for webhook we have to register inside this login page. So here we have to register our webhook URL or endpoint. So these guys or Mollak platform share all the updates over our webhooks. It's a little bit slow. Yeah, so this one is successfully loaded. Administrations, we can add manage company, invoice, reports, manage property invoice payments. Okay, we can do the search. Workplace, here we can see that we have a number of plots and submitted by this person, processed by this person. Those thing has been completed, and the dashboard we have. Now my car, my company is there. Developer details is there. I'm trying to search for webhook registrations for the invoice payment transaction. It's not configuration, so I just avoid. Manage company, manage property group. So here I don't found some link where we can register our webhook inside it. So might be we have to drop an email for approval or to register webhook, because this one is not a plus where we can do this one. Let me see what we can do from here. The service trigger will be sent to certain notification management company endpoint upon the changes value from Mollak system. Event trigger only on register endpoint with Mollak integration services. Okay, so we have to Mollak integration services, so we can say here we don't found that one, but we have to tag the support request from the Mollak team so they can better guide us. I don't found this anywhere. Manage invoice, manage property, search work group. Appointment letter is there for RERA, is not there. The group is there. Okay, so here we can see is not there any place. This is the example that how this detail is showing over there. prime registration management, the company number is this one. Okay, so here is not available, so anyway we will check and talk to the Mollak support team. Thank you. Here was the Tejas from Snippetbucket Technology. Have a wonderful day. Here is